Sir, can we start now?
Sure.
Okay. A very warm good afternoon to one and all present here. Today, I, Ragni Saxena, am here to represent the Technical Committee of IIIT Vadodara. And it is my immense pleasure to announce the third edition of Cerebrum, the Technical Fest of IIIT Vadodara, sponsored by Haparan, GIL, in association with Endeavour and GitHub. I would like to welcome our Honorable Director, Sir, Naveen Sir, faculty members, and all our enthusiastic participants to the inauguration ceremony of Cerebro 2021. Cerebro aims to bring together great minds through various activities like technical workshops, events, including literary, design, as well as gaming events. Let's begin the ceremony by invoking the blessings of the Almighty Ganesha with a pious shlok by the Encore Music Club. We-
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरुवे गुणगुरुवे गुरुदैत्यगणक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Wow, what a soothing performance by Encore. That performance certainly filled the entire aura with positive vibes and made us all more enthusiastic of what's coming next. We are graced with the presence of our director, sir, Dr. Sarat Patra, who has always been motivating and encouraging us to be a part of such festivals. He is a supporter of all student activities and has been a pivotal part in organization of all such festivals. So without further ado, I would like to call the director, sir, to light the lamp and solemnize this event. Thank you, sir, for lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. Now, I would like to request the director, sir, to say a few words to the students.
Good afternoon to you all. Dr. Naveen, my faculty colleagues, guests for the event, my dear students. I hope I'm audible. My microphone is on, but just want to make sure that things are fine. Okay, it looks like from the nodding of heads and thumbs up that yes, you can hear me. That's good. To start with, the Ganesh Bandhana was really very nice, and it was pleasure to hear it. In fact, I found the bandhana to be more pleasing than the music in the background. So, thumbs up to the singer. Uh, Now, it's a nice time to have this event in the sense that the first year students, the first semester exam has just ended, and they would be keen in joining it. Though I don't find many roll numbers in the list of participants. You should find out why they are not joining and then pull them in. In fact, unless they join in this year, you would have difficulty in the coming years. And moreover, with the pandemic and the COVID problems, their joining this mainstream becomes more crucial and more critical because unless they join in on this logical front, when they come back physically, that becomes more difficult because you would have two batches or two batches of new faces to be brought into the network or the physical network of students at the institute. Now, this year the event is of 8 days. Of course, considering the COVID scenario and all that, and since everybody is at home and then you are doing it online, it's perfectly fine, and it's a good idea to do it over a short, longer period so that you keep engaged. And then again, the coming week happens to be a no class week because of the Holi. Then you have the Good Friday and few days is the mid semester break. Now, when I scanned through the website for the event, there are 18 events taking up different skill sets of people. Good to see that. Of course, uh, having more events spread over longer days gives you better options to participate and better scope to participate. But again, it also brings in some amount of scope for people to go away because keeping track of things for longer time is certainly a difficult task. And for the organizers, it's still more difficult. Now, this event, as we have been doing and we foresee, should provide lot of avenues to understand technology and use it, to try with technology. And in fact, what we do in the class is a learning, and what we do in these events is something beyond learning, which would be a practical aspect in the sense that how you would use your knowledge and wisdom to do something. It also provides a scope to play with technology, go beyond the course boundaries to do something. Now, a point of thought that I had was in 2022, 1 year from now, hopefully things will be fine and we'd have the event in the campus in the physical mode. At that time, I would look at having both the campuses, that's the Badodara and the Dew campus, joining in together to host the event. And of course, there could be events for individual campuses and combined events so that the events goes to a bigger scale and the innovations can be bigger. Now, I'm sure this event will bring in some interest in the startup and startup related activities. And with this, some of you would be ready to plunge into proof of concept and patent writing concepts. Now, few events that while I was going through the website, a few events which I got interested was Build It Better, Imagine AI, and Ideathon. These three caught my thought because not because they are more interesting or less interesting in that sense, but they caught my thought because they have a potential to get people who would like to use their startup ideas or thoughts of a product or things like that. And the institute provides a scope for funding these events. Now, if you have ideas which can be patented, which you can build a startup, which you can use a product to make, we would be happy to fund it. And in fact, we have funds for it. And come up with this to wish you all the best for the future few days of this event. Enjoy, enjoy the use of technology, enjoy use of technology for benefit of the society, benefit of human being, benefit of one and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for such inspiring words. And I hope not only first year, but everybody has been encouraged by your words to participate in Cerebro. And we will definitely keep your suggestions in mind. Now, Naveen sir has been constantly guiding us along every step in the way. So now I would like to invite Naveen sir to address the students.
Thank you very much, Raghavi. So I welcome all of you on behalf of Technical Committee IIIT Vadodara for this third Technical Fest Cerebro 2021. I want to especially thank our director sir to be part of this inaugural ceremony and spend time with us from his busy schedule. I know actually he was busy nowadays in many other official meetings and all. So I have never seen actually him to say no to any such student event. So thank you very much, sir, to join us. This is third time our team is organizing this event at IIIT Vadodara. The overall idea is to motivate students to participate and show their additional skills that help them to grow all round. It comprises of, but not limited to, program-related events, designing events, literary and gaming events. The past two Cerebro events were conducted offline. Last time our team had successfully organized such event in 2019. Due to pandemic situation last year, we are forced to drop the event, but finally our team is back. However, looking at the current situation, we have it online this time. It's okay, I think. So that introduced many actually new challenges, but our team is all set to accept every such challenge and ready to step in with more energy this time. So thanks to all the team members for your hard work to help us actually to make it feasible. So looking at the online event, our team has come up with some new event this time and dropped a few, which is basically not feasible actually in online mode. So it is okay. So the list of new events comprise website building event that I think is more, it will help actually students which are more aligned with the website designing things and all. Then bug hunting thing, right, which is also a pure technical event. So then one important event that we started this time is it is about startup promotional material designing event. So where a condition situation is given, a company, a organization structure is given, and a student or participant needs to actually create a material of different kind, including their logos, videos, right, and all. So then essay writing, online chess, other events we have introduced this time especially. So the complete list of events, you can find it from our Cerebro website. That link is already provided through email. So this time we are expecting around 3,000 participants or more from inside or outside IIIT TV. We are hoping that this time we have got good participation from outside. So out of this 3,000, I think 2,000 have already registered in comparison to the 1,700 last time in 2019. Only 1,700 was participated. So this is already, the number is more than that, and we are expecting actually in coming days it will reach to 3,000 to 4,000. So that is a good number, I think. So we have stretched this time this event for 7 days. I think it will give a good opportunity for our team members and also the participant to participate in more number of events and organize it nicely. So it will finally end on 4th of April. So best of luck to all the participants and our organizing team as well. I hope you all together will make this event successful, and this time definitely I am very sure that we will reach to a new height. So good luck to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind and informative words. And to the organizers, I wish you all the best and thank you for putting in so much effort to make the Cerebro bigger and better. Now, I'm sure you all must be waiting for the amazing and exciting and exhilarating inaugural performances by some of our favorite clubs. And we won't let you down. So coming up first is Encore with an amazing mashup that will surely sway you away with its beats. I would like to request everybody to turn off their videos.
मजबूर क्या कीजिए क्या कीजिए दिल कह रहा उससे मुकम्मल कर दिया वो जो दूरी सी याद बाकी है वो जो दूरी सी बात बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है मैं रंग शरबतों का तुम थे घाट का पानी मैं रंग शरबतों का तुम थे घाट का पानी मुझे खुद में देखो मेरे यार बात बन जानी रंग शरबतों का तुम थे घाट का पानी मैं रंग शरबतों का तुम थे घाट का पानी मुझे खुद में देखो मेरे यार बात बन जानी रंग शरबतों का तुम थे घाट का पानी शायरों से लफ्ज़ लेके थोड़े से उधार बोलना ये चाहता हूँ दिल को तुमसे यार हो रहा हो गया है हर कैसा कोई आ रहा है दिल पे तुझे दो लव थोड़ा लव थोड़ा गड़बड़ी कर देगा, सोचा न था कि तू ये गड़बड़ी कर देगा, सोचा न था ऐसी शिकल खड़ी कर देगा, सोचा न था। उड़ गए तो तेरे तेरे तोड़ गए तो तेरे, ला 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 उड़ गए तो तेरे तेरे तोड़ गए तो। कोई नहीं तेरे सिवा मेरा यहाँ, मंजिलें है मेरी तो सब यहाँ, मिटा दे सभी आजा फासले, मैं चाहूँ मुझे मुझसे बांट ले, जरा सा मुझ में तू झाँक ले, मैं हूँ क्या। कभी जो बादल बरसे मैं देखूं तुझे आंखें भर के, तू लगे मुझे पहली बारिश की दुआ, तेरे पहलू में रह लूं मैं खुद को पागल, कह लूं तू गम दे खुशियाँ सह लूं साथिया। तो सुनैना जब से मिले, तो सुनैना जब से मिले, बन गए सिलसिले। तो सुनैना जब से मिले, तो सुनैना जब से मिले, बन गए सिलसिले। टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडी पुरवाई, रास्ता देखे दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराही, रास्ता देखे बन्नो और बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई। बन्नो और बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा, कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा रजाइयाँ। तेरे लिए ही जिया मैं खुद को जो यूं दे दिया है, तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला। मैं जो मिट भी गया तो वजूद मेरा सदा तुझ में रहे जिंदा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो
Wow, what an amazing performance! और chat box देख के तो I'm sure कि I am not the only one who had a whole concert in my room. So really great job, guys. And Encore again blew us away with such a soothing performance. But wait, the fun doesn't end here. Next up, we have a dance performance. And this time, Mod 5 has tried something new, something different and unique, according to the Tech Fest of IIIT Vadodara. Yes. तो इसी के साथ सेरेब्रो का शुभारंभ करने आ रहे हैं Mod 5 डांस क्रू. And I would like to request everybody to turn off the videos so that everybody has a pleasant viewing experience.
रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयो हाय हाय रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयो हाय हाय आशानी किरणों बिखराए उमंग भी छलका है मन हड़बे थी गुनगुनाए हाय 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 हाय
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 ख्वाबों के बीच कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी
हाँ मजा है जिंदगी नशा है जिंदगी धीरे धीरे चढ़ेगी दुआ दे जिंदगी बता दे जिंदगी बात अपनी बनेगी ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है, शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई।
Wow, I can see the excitement in the chat box and amazing editing Mod 5, amazing dance. And I guess everybody is as excited for Cerebro now. So finally, now it's time to unfold the exciting array of events that we have in the store for you all this year. So sit tight and enjoy the lineup for Cerebro. Thank you, sir, for giving that information to everyone. And I hope that you all must be compelled to register for all these events by now. And if you haven't registered yet, what are you waiting for? Go and register now at our website. Last but not least, I would like to thank our director, sir, Naveen, sir, faculty members, and the wonderful team of organizers for bringing this fest to life under these circumstances and combating the great challenges of online mood. We're all set to raise the bar high to some virtually new levels. And now I can officially say that Cerebro is on. Come on, guys, some cheers. So Cerebro is now officially live, and I request everybody to tell their brothers and sisters and neighbors, family and friends that Cerebro is officially on, and that they can register on our website cerebro.iitvadoodara.ac.in.